How to fix videos not showing on Pocket FM application. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you some basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to bypass this kind of issue. So, very first instance that you open up a Pocket FM application, this is where you can see all the thumbnails of each of the movies or videos that is available on this app. However, if it's not showing on your end, then here's the very first thing that you can do. Open up Google Play Store or any application store that you used on your device, and then just simply look for the Pocket FM application. This is just to ensure that you're currently using the latest version of the application, because sometimes if you're using the old version, sometimes it crashes and occurs some of glitches. Now, the next thing that you can do is to find the Pocket FM app and then tap and hold in it and then choose on the eye icon. Now, once you're here, just simply scroll down and then under storage, choose on this option here. Now, execute two fields here like clear cache and clear data as well. This will allow all the necessary crashes or glitches bugs that was additionally inserted into the application. And this is it. That is how you fix videos not showing on Pocket FM app.